Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seekers Hub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about Revature exam update and exam pattern as well. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our Job Seekers Hub channel and watch this video until end because I will discuss all the important things here. So on Sunday I made a video on Birla Soft and Revature hiring for freshers. Here you can see, if you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video. Before going to discuss about this, let's read the mail first. Dear candidate, greetings from Revature. As a part of our selection process, we have received your application through the registration survey. As the next step, you are required to attend an online assessment. The assessment link will be shared with you shortly via email from the official do select email id. Do select email id in the sense the email id which was he mentioned here. I just removed that email ID due to some personal reasons. During the assessment, you will be assessed on your technical knowledge, programming, problem solving skills, and understanding of relevant concepts. Please ensure that you prepared and have a suitable for the assessment. Here you can see these are the assessment guidelines. Ensure a stable internet connection. Keep a notebook and pen hand for quick notes. Choose a quiet well environment. Keep your camera switched on through the assessment unless instructed otherwise. Here they mentioned don'ts as well. Now let us discuss about the roles. In first year, this is a junior trainee role. In first year, they are offering a compensation of 5.62 LPA. In second year, you got 1 lakh increment 6.62 LPA, and in third year you will get 8.50 LPA as your compensation. Here they mentioned eligibility is 60% 60 GPA above in 10th 12th UG and PG, ME MTech MCA with no active backlog errors, CSC IT circular 2526. Sir, wait. You are saying ME MTech MCA is BE BTech or not eligible? They are eligible, guys. The candidate who got this mail is an MCA candidate. Yeah, for MCA candidate it will be different. For BE BTech candidate it will be different. This is for a master's candidates, ME MTech MCA, guys. So the MCA guy 2025 pass out he applied for this opportunity and he shared that. BE BTech candidates still applied for the opportunity but they didn't receive any mail. If they receive, they will also share here and I will share with you as well. So please try to apply for this opportunity, and 25-26 are the candidates who are eligible for this particular opportunity. Only MCA, ME, MTech they mentioned 25-26. If you are a BTech, BSc, they given a 23-24 as well. I will show you that as well. Evaluation process here is online assessment, technical screening, HR screening, final presentation. Service agreement you have to keep in your mind. You have to 3 years service agreement sign. You have to sign in 3 years service agreement. Please keep that in mind. Job location they mention is a Chennai, but it may be relocated to anywhere in entire India. You may get a Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, like that. Based on their business requirements, it will change. Requirement: genuine interest and aptitude for our teaching or training, along with a passion for Python programming and generative AI. As I mentioned earlier, this is a technical trainer role. This is a trainer role, guys. You have to train a bunch of candidates, so that's why they are saying genuine interest and aptitude for teaching or training. Remarks: there should be not be a gap of 1 or more year after completing SSC and before joining the graduate and post graduation course. Only 1 year gap, education gap is allowed. Now let us discuss about the examination pattern. What the guy said is, he received examination mail and there will be 40 MCQ questions, which is a combination of Python and SQL concepts. I got a information that only, and there may be aptitude as well, but I will not guarantee that, but there may be aptitude. Better if you prepare for that as well. So there will be 40 MCQs, combination of SQL, Python, maybe aptitude as well there. If it is not there, it will be good. And one coding question is a compulsory. You have to write in Python. Maybe over there they may give C++ as well, but what he said is one coding question in Python. So be prepared for that. 40 MCQs and one coding question will be there. Initially he said time is 2 hours, but they have to complete assessment in 45 minutes. Even I had a confusion, like if the time is 2 hours, why we have to complete 45 minutes? The information is yet to be awaited. So please try to be prepared for 40 MCQs from Python, SQL and aptitude, and one coding question as well. Please be prepared for this as well. If I get a more information in a tomorrow or a day after, definitely I will share that as well. Sir, is the link still open? We didn't apply for that opportunity on the day. Yes guys, the link is still open. Here you can see Revature candidate confirmation from for junior trainer. So if you haven't applied for that opportunity on Sunday, yes, the opportunity is still open. Don't miss this opportunity. Try to apply for this opportunity. So as I mentioned earlier, are you open as a trainer? You have to select yes. If you select no, you will not receive any mail. You will be shortlisted, like you will be not given any examination credentials. Are you okay to relate to Chennai? Yes. So ME MTech, what I said earlier is for ME MTech 25-26, for MCA also 25-26 is opening. No see. For BE BTech it will be 23, 24, 25, 26 as well. For BSc as well 23, 24, 25, 6 as well. So try to apply for this opportunity. BE BTech candidates, if you are a pass out in 23, 24, 25, 26, try to apply for these opportunities. For master postgraduates candidates, only 25, 26 are eligible for this particular opportunity. Just fill all these basic details, and here if you take in gap, click on yes. After that, give like 1 year. They said maximum only 1 year gap is allowed. If you select 2, you may not be eligible for this opportunity. If you had a only 1 year gap, then you may be eligible for this opportunity. Kindly share your Google Drive link here and click on submit. You will receive assessment within a week. Within a week you will receive assessment mail from Revature as well. So try to apply for this opportunity. I will give this video link in description. Over there I discussed about each and everything if you want to know. And 25-26 candidates, try to apply for this Birlasoft opportunity as well. Why I am saying this is, today I got a comment in YouTube, like anyone coming for the Birlasoft interview in Chennai on 21st August. So 21st August, this candidate is having a Birlasoft interview. The information is yet to be awaited. Like, is this Birlasoft enterprise application role or any other role? We don't know. But for safe purpose, try to apply for this Birlasoft opportunity as well if you are a 25-26 BE BTech candidate. So that's it guys. If you want more updates like this, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like this video and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.